Local Realty Agency Mid-Cities presents How to Get Your Texas Real Estate License in 2025 in 6 steps. Are you ready to start your career in Texas real estate but don't know where to begin? Don't worry. We've got your back. At Local Realty Agency Mid-City, we help aspiring agents just like you every day. Let's walk through the 6 steps to get your Texas real estate license in 2025. And hey, if you want to save time and money, make sure to use our special discounts through 360 Training. Click the link in the description below to get started today. Step 1. Apply with TREC. Submit your license application to the Texas Real Estate Commission. Once you apply, you've got 1 year to finish the entire process. The fee is around $205, and you can keep tabs on your application with the TREC application tracker. Yes, it's a real thing. Step 2. Knock out your education. You'll need 180 hours of TREC-approved coursework. That's 6 30-hour courses, including Principles of Real Estate 1, Principles of Real Estate 2, Law of Agency, Law of Contracts, Promulgated Contract, Forms, Real Estate Finance. And guess what? 360 Training offers all of these online. Yes, we're saying it again. Click the link in the description. Step 3, background check and fingerprint. Yes, they need to know who you are and whether you've robbed any bank. Schedule your fingerprinting appointment with an authorized IdentoGo location. TREC will use your info to assess your eligibility. Step 4, send in your course certificate. Once you finish your courses, send your certificates or transcript to TREC by email at documents@rec.texas.gov. Easy. Step 5. Pass the exam register for the Texas Real Estate Exam through Pearson VUE. You'll face 2 sections, 85 general real estate questions, 40 Texas-specific law questions. You need a 70% or better on both. Don't panic. We've seen people pass, like actual humans. Step 6. Find a sponsoring broker. You can't just go rogue. You need a licensed broker to sponsor you before you can legally work. Look for a broker, like us, with training, mentorship, and an actual plan to help you succeed. Once the broker accepts your sponsorship via TREC's online portal, you're officially licensed to hustle. Bonus, what if you're licensed in another state? Sad news, Texas doesn't do license reciprocity. You'll need to follow these steps like everyone else. Yes, even you. At Local Realty Agency Mid-Cities, we're here to help guide you through this entire process. And if you're ready to start with those 180 hours of coursework, remember, get started today with our exclusive discount on 360 Training. Just click the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or do whatever makes you feel accomplished. See you out there, future agent.